Now all I have to do now is to save this, is to save what we have here so that we're not gonna lose it. So let me just save it on computer. Download documents. You can just phone book one. So remember, we are not done with it. I'm going to tell you what we are going to be doing. Okay, let me leave it as book one. Alright, so this has been saved successfully now. So the next thing to do is to go to our browser, so the Google Chrome browser. So what we actually need here is the Google contacts. So let's go to Google Chrome browser, or we go to Gmail. That Gmail or Google Chrome, whichever one you have on your desktop directly, you can use it. What we want is the Google contact that we have. So now let's come here. Don't mind me because I'm using two accounts on my PC. So now we have all Google apps here. Let's see if it's going to. This one is wasting time. So let me go to Gmail directly. So having opened the Gmail, then I can easily come here where I have the contact. So I can, this is our Gmail, then I come to Google Apps here. So this place, then I'll be able to see contacts. Now we have all contacts. So these are some of the one I've extracted before now. Alright, so let me just look for one contact. I don't want this. Let me use another contact. Okay. I can just pick from any of these contacts, anyone at all. So I'm clicking on let me say this Ahmed Baba. So after clicking on this particular one, can you see this option that I've clicked on now? Then I come to option here, option on that particular contact, and I said export. So when I click on export, say okay, Google CSV, and then all of the export as Google CSV. So that is how we want it. Then we continue as export. Okay, so here it is. Here it's going to come as Excel file because CSV is part of the Excel file. So now I just opened it now. So let me remove this so that we can. So I have this name be extracted now. Let me extend it so that I know what is what. I'm just expanding these boxes so that I can get what is actually under them. I can't do that for everything, just for the sake of this class. Okay, so we have the first cell saying name, the next one given name, additional name, family name, your meaning, whatever, and it continues that way. So we have this now, and this is going to give us clue on what to do. So here we have under this AE, that is where we have our mobile. Okay, then AD on one type value. So, and this is it, and this is this mobile. So this one too. Okay, so now since I have all this here now, I will go back to my former Excel file that I was working on. So, and this is it here. So this is what I was working on before. So what I want to do, I want to copy everything I have here. No, that's not what I want to achieve. So I want to highlight everything I have here. So I can click on shift and then come down. So I'm not dragging the button, don't mind me. So I've highlighted everything I have here now. So by using my shift key and then drop down button, so having highlighted everything this way, then I will come here to, I will right click to copy. So I've copied everything I have there. Now I'm coming to this particular file, that is phone number, right? So I will come to where I have phone number under this one now, which is here. So I will try and drag this down. Okay, I can just paste it here now. Okay. So I'll be pasting on all these. So I have about 290 something, so I can just stop on 300 or something. Okay, so having done this, so let me just Control V, and now I've pasted on the contact that we have there. So I now have, so this is now under the same place we had contacts when we exported from Google Contact, right? So now let me go back to my other Excel. So now I will come to this place. Okay, so I'm coming to this place now to copy. I'm done with that one. So just right click and click on copy. Now I'll go back to this place and then come to where we have the name saved, and that is this name. We can paste it on this name and also on given name. Alright, so we have it this way. So I can just paste it here now, then do the same thing for this side and then paste it again. Okay, alright, so I've pasted the name there, and what other thing do I have to do? So I can just populate this too, this mobile, and then drag it down so that we'll have mobile in all of this. So mobile, 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 mobile. Okay, so now mobile will be repeated throughout. Alright, so now I can go up again and see what is here. So I can as well repeat this, or I just leave it like that, but we can populate it as well. My contact. Okay, so now we leave it that way too. And then what other thing do we need to work? And it seems we are done now. So having done this, the next thing is just for you to save what you have here. So we have saved this contact. So we go back to our Google. Seems I even have my Gmail. I'm wasting my time. I have my Gmail here. So just open it. Come to contacts. So I will come to Google Apps here. Then click on contacts. Okay, so now that we have contacts, so I'm going to click on imports now. Can you see the option import here? Import. Select it says before I can select file. So click on select file. Then I have to go to documents and then the ultimate WhatsApp. And this is what I need. Bam. So just open it. So it has selected it. I'll just click on import. So it is not importing contacts. So if there are some contacts that probably I've saved on my phone before, it's going to detect now that you have imported, would you like to look for duplicates? Find duplicates. So I can find duplicates and then delete the unnecessary ones. Okay, so merge all. So I just need to merge all the duplicates, and bumps, that is that I have all those contacts now on my phone. So what's today's date? Okay, today's haze now, so imported on 8. So these are all the contacts. If I just open my phone now, so far this my Gmail is signed on it, I have all these contacts saved already. Alright, just as simple as that. If not for the fact that I'm using this to train, it doesn't take up to 30 minutes before you can even save up to like 1,000 contacts. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.